welcome to Orion Properties. In today's video, we're going to talk about the prestigious Benghazi developers. Known for their visionary architecture and luxurious developments, Benghazi has redefined the real estate landscape. So stick with us as we dive into their luxurious residential and commercial projects.
So guys, let's start with JVC. So the second name of JVC from my point of view is Benghazi. Benghazi is dominating in this area. More than 65% of the market share is through Benghazi in this area. Talking about recent statistics, 2,500 transactions happened in the last quarter. Out of that, 1,400 was through Benghazi and rest was divided into other developers. And we have launched more than 6 projects in that area in last span of 6 months, within the span of 6 months. So let me just give you a brief about JVC. JVC surrounded by 3 entries and exits. One is Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road, that is Hessa Street, that is Al Khail Road. So we started with Benghazi Apex, the white one over there. We started with that. That was 90% sold out to a single investor only. So in Benghazi, we have a concept wherein we sell it to the investor, and that investor will, he will sell it for next. We'll give him an off-take period, like 6 months, 9 months, and they will sell it. And we promise them that if you're not able to sell it, you give us back. And then the sales manager in Benghazi, they sell it for them. So right now in Apex, we have nothing. It's all sold out. It was launched 4-5 months back, and it was sold out within 10 to 15 days. And we only got the chance to sell the studios in that building. The location was amazing. It was nearby to Al Khail. I mean, the ones which are at that side, people prefer going on that side and the Nakheel Villa side. So that was the first one. After Apex, we launched Aurora. This was a 5-story building. Like the trainer said, we have 3 types of building. Like we go for the high rises also, the low rises also, in the mid range also. So this was the second launch of in JVC area. This was Aurora. This was 5-story building. So just giving you a pricing in like y'all can recall it if y'all have any inquiries. Aurora ranges between, for the studios, it's between 700 to 750 depending upon the down payment. And for 1 bedrooms, 1 million to 1.150 million depending upon the down payment. This is for Aurora. Apex we have nothing. Now coming to the other project, that is Royale. This was Phantom. This is a spiral shaped building which was a massive success in Benghazi. All the units having jacuzzi. So this was sold out in initially 2 to 3 months. This was sold out. Looking at the demand of this building, we had to launch a project called Royale. Royale was again in the similar shape, and this in the similar shape. And Royale also got sold out in 10 days, and we had to launch Groove. This is again another one. Royale's model is not available. It's sold out, so they have removed it. They've just used the same model into Groove. So Groove, we have availability. It's very good and ideal for short-term rentals. If you have clients outside, like the foreigner clients, they will always prefer to stay in JVC, since JVC is a renowned thing in front of the customers outside Dubai. Like people know JVC. So short-term rentals, why? Because every unit has a jacuzzi. And it's very easy during the season. Dubai has a season of 7 months. It's very easy to put it on short-term rentals. Long-term rentals are also always going good in JVC area. Like you can expect a 1 bedroom in the fresh construction at 75,000 to 80,000 in JVC area. Studios give you 55 to 60,000. And if I calculate the appreciation, it is somewhere around 8 to 10%. So we have spoken about Apex that sold out. Aurora, we still have inventories. Studios and 1 beds available. 1 unit of 2 bedroom is also available. You can get it at 1.65 million, 1.7 million. 1 unit. Handover is in June. So yeah, talking about handovers also, we have all the handovers available. If you have a client asking for a handover in 2024, we have it. We have recently handed over Orchid, Onyx. We have some units in Amber. So we can give them 2024 options also. If someone is asking for, let's say 2025, this year. So 2025, I have how many options I'll give you. This is one Aurora. This is in June 2025. After June 2025, then there is Phoenix. This is our Phoenix. This is getting handed over in February, March. Here also we have some inventories. Studios are available over here. So Phoenix is getting handed over in March, February, March. This is going to be handed over in June 2025. Groove is going to be handed over in March 2026. Royale, it's over, but it's in October 2025, this October. Phantom over, but it's October 2025. So no need of speaking about the ones which are over. Coming to the other projects. Now, apart from this, Aurora, Apex, Phoenix, Groove, Royale, we launched Dusk and Dawn. So the project which you can see, the small one, the G+4 over there, that is amazing location. That's one more amazing location because the backside view is Nakheel Villas. Like we don't have a hindrance behind. That's G+4, that's Dusk. And this was ideally launched for mortgage buyers. I mean, we had a payment plan of 2080 available in that project because we constructed the project first and then we launched the project so that Bengati had this strategy that even if we are giving 2080, the money from the bank will be with them in next 2 to 3 months. So that will be handed over in 1 month approximately, and almost the project is completed. I mean, the finishing is being done in that project, and apart from Dusk, we launched Dawn, which is behind this project. There's a small building behind this also. That's again facing towards Nakheel Villas, this 4-story building. This is again going to be handed over in 1 month. Again, we have a 2080 payment plan available in this one also. I mean, there are 3 types of payment plan, 20% down payment, 50%, then 100%. And we have 3 types of pricing also. Right now, there is an offer going on in Dusk and Dawn, full payment 750,000. So any studio inquiries you guys have for JVC, you all can pitch them Dusk and Dawn. Both of them have an inventory of studios. So yeah, 1 project, 2 project, 3. Aurora was 4th, Groove and Royal 5, 6. Recent one in Property Show. In December, we launched Ruby. This is Ruby. This is again amazing location. 2 to 3 minutes from Hessa Street, 2 minutes from Circle Mall, again 5 minutes to the Al Khail exit. So this is ideally a good location if it comes to JVC area, and this is exactly a replica of Azure. You guys must have heard of Bengati Azure. That's going to be handed over in January, February. We don't have any inventory in that, but the demand was so high that we had to build one more. I mean, in the same shape, everything is same. It's just a replica, just the color is different. So we have studios, 1 beds and 2 beds, and we had 3 beds also that sold out. But we have 2 beds, 1 bed studios available in Ruby. Approximately 60% is sold out. We have 40% of the inventory. The price range again, 1 million to 1.150 1 bedroom for a studio between 740 to 800. This will be a price range of studio. Why this project? Right now, this one, like people are booking a lot in this one because of the location. Because behind you have your Nakheel Villas and the entry and exit towards Hessa is also very nearby. Al Khail is also very nearby. You got all your dental clinics nearby, school, JSS International School nearby. So right now, to target anything in JVC, I would recommend you to go for Ruby because this is in limelight right now.
All of these low-rise only studios are available.
In the low-rise, Phoenix, Aurora has 1 bed also, 2 bed also, 1 unit of 2 bed is also available, studios also. But here we have only studios, Phoenix. Dusk and Dawn also we have studios, 1 to 2 units of 1 plus study. Basically, Dusk and Dawn, they don't have a 1 bedroom. It has a 1 plus study thing over there. So Dusk, Dawn, Phoenix, Aurora. Studios are available. And in Aurora, we have 1 beds also. And in Dusk and Dawn Studios, Phoenix Studios. So this is all about JVC area. So the price range is simple. Going into luxury, the jacuzzi ones, it's 1.2 to 1.3. And for the normal ones, 1 to 1.150 for a 1 bed. For a 2 bedroom, you can expect it at 1.65 to 1.8. 3 bedrooms are limited. So 3 bedrooms are there in Groove, basically. So Groove, that will have a word on that thing. If anybody has a requirement of JVC 3 bedroom, just let me know. I'll get back to you with the proper inventory and everything. So this was all about JVC. We launched 7 projects in the last year. This year again, we have 5 to 6 launches lined up in this area. We are retailing at 1400 to 1500 per square feet. If you ask about the per square feet, 1400 is the per square feet, which we are retailing right now for everything. Now talking about other thing, the important thing, commercial. We have commercials also in this area, like retails and office spaces also available in this area. So this is all about JVC, sir.
So price point you said 1450 to 1550.
Yeah, this is
there
what.
A higher price bracket as well within this, or everything is 14?
Everything is ranging between that only.
This is the Al Jadaf area. So this is the plus point about this area is it's close to downtown and Business Bay. So you can see that there's a downtown and Business Bay. So 90% of the clients who don't want a unit in Jeddah in Business Bay, we can go for Jeddah as well because this is something close to downtown business, like 8 minutes away. Then again, this area is dominated by Bengati as well. We have older projects like Bengati Creek, Avenue, and we have launched new projects which is two new projects, it's Bengati Ghost and Bengati Ivory. So currently we have more 4 or 5 plots coming up soon. This is the Al Khail Road. This is the Oud Mehta Road. So we have launched two new projects in Jeddah. That is Bengati Ghost and Bengati Ivory. So currently we are selling these two projects in Jeddah only. We have 7 other plots coming up soon. So the completion of this project is in March 2026. We have studio, 1 bed, 2 bed and 3 bed as well. But currently right now 1 beds in this project is sold out. We have another project in Bengati Ivory. This is right next to Walid Garden 1 and 2. It's right in the center. Yeah, that one. So this is even G plus 20-story building, right, similar to this. Only the completion of this project is in December 2025. We have studios, 1 bed and 2 beds, 2025, this year end. So the pricing for studios in Jeddah, the square feet is going to be approximately 422 to 450, 460, 422 to 450. And the pricing is going to be approximately 860 to 870. We even have 1 beds also in this. 1 bed is going to be approximately 1.3 million after the discount. Now obviously the pricing on the asking price size is going to be 750, 750, 850 depending on the unit we select.
750, 850 is the size, and what's the price point?
It's going to be 1.3 million. So we have 2 bedroom as well. So 2 bedroom is going to be approximately 1200, 1300 square feet, and the price is going to be 2.2 million.
This is getting handed over in 26.
In 25 this year.
This is 1600 per square foot.
Yeah. We have 3 beds as well. 3 bed is going to be approximately from 1500 square feet to about 1900, depending on the unit we select. I mean, like the back, this side view gives you the Burj Khalifa view, but that's a 2 bedroom. Those units are sold out currently right now. But even in Bengati Ivory, we can get you Creek view as well. Jeddah Metro is going to be 5 minutes away. This side. This is Al Wasl Sports Club. So this is main, maximum, like, this is the Dubai Health Authority over here. So 90% of the crowd is going to be doctors and, I'm like, it's like a family crowd altogether. So any clients who are looking for a proper family background area, this is what we can pitch them.
After Jeddah was JVC area, now JVC area, Dubai Science Park area. So in Dubai Science Park area, we have launched 2 projects in last 6 months. So one was Bengati Hills, that is almost sold out. We have few inventories left out in Bengati Hills. It is bang on Sakim Road. So the best part about this area is that Emaar has built a community over there, right? So that adds value to our project. Since Emaar is selling it at what price? 1 bed's at 1.5 million. 1.5, 1.6. If you have a good deal, 1.45 also. But we can give the same quality, better square feet, better location. I mean, the metro station is just 2 minutes away. So the bridge which you can see over there, actually that is, here we enter, but that's the best part of the building. So I'll just come here. So the bridge which you all can see is, this is Sakim Road over here, and this is your metro station. So this is the blue line already there on the Dubai Development Authority. So the Sakim station would be just in front of this building, 2 to 3 minutes away, which will skyrocket the appreciation at the time of handover. So the handover is in 2026, March. So one point is metro station. Second point is location. I mean the easiness to all the other areas. So Sports City, from here, you have a roundabout over here from Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road. You get into Sakim. Then on the right hand side, you'll get Sports City also in 10 minutes. Dubai Hills Mall is just 7 minutes. MOE is also 15 minutes. Marina, downtown, all these areas are 20 minutes. The South Airport, the Maktoum Airport is also 30 minutes. The old airport is also 20 to 25 minutes. This has a scope of appreciation in next 2 years. The way JVC has seen appreciation in last 3 years. From 2021, if you guys must be knowing the per square feet, what per square feet, Abhishek bhai, we were retailing in JVC before? 700, 800, now it's 1400. Approximately 80% of appreciation in JVC. Similarly, this area will also see appreciation. I mean, 3 times, 4 times what I am predicting from the news and from the information that I have. So this has a scope of going up. and Emaar being in this area, 110% this at the time of handover, you will see an appreciation. And there are clients who have good R&Ds and all about the location of Dubai who directly are coming for this area. It's 37-story building. We have studios, 1 beds and 2 beds in this particular building. And yeah, the location is amazing. Sports City nearby. Dubai production is, I mean, it's in center basically. You got all your things very, very near to everything. I mean, yeah. Ibn Ghati delivers better sizes as compared to the other developers. So in terms of sizes, we are better. Yeah. Price per square feet will be ranging between that only 1500, 1600. We entered this area last 3 months back. We were not having any projects in this area before. So first time entering into Dubai Production City. Why? 10 minutes from Expo City, 15 minutes from Maktoum Airport. City Maisim Center is the eye-catching thing over here. City Center Maisim. It's just 3 minutes distance from this particular place. And yeah, you're selling future to your clients in this particular building. Right now, this is a 23-story building. Right now, in that New Year offer which I mentioned, we gave all the studios at 500. This is JVC area towards Nakhil Villas. Easy entry and exit towards Hessa also, and easy entry and exit towards Al Khail Road also. Best part is 2 minutes distance from Circle Mall, and JSS International School also very nearby. 1 beds and studios available now. And the best part is location. Marasi Drive, you directly have a view of Canal, you directly have a view of Burj Khalifa from 10th floor, to be precise. From 10th floor onwards, because we have 5 podiums in this building. So first floor is technically 6th floor. So yeah. And we have strategically, all the units will have some or the other view. I mean, the behind ones are having artificial beach, the front ones are having canal and Burj Khalifa, and some of them will be having swimming pool, basketball. I mean, all the units will have some or the other view. We have inventories, bro. Studios are there, 1 beds are there. 2 beds and 3 beds are not there. Yeah.
7 acres, you're making 3 towers. This is a 48-story tower, what you're making. Just like Tower C in the center, Tower A here, and Tower B that side. On the back side is towards Circle, the front side is towards Burj Khalifa. Mix of studio, 1 bed, 2 beds, and 3 beds. Basically, what I have as on today's studio in 1 bed. 2 and 3 beds and nothing. Studio as on today is 1.1 million to start with, and goes till 1.4 on the higher floors. 1 bedroom starting is 1.85, goes to 2.4, 2.5. Average carpet for a studio is 420 square feet. 1 bedroom is 800 square feet. We will have 1,000 square feet carpet. We still have 1 or 2 units of 2 bedroom and cancellation. The clients are there. That's it. You can call us up with it.
You have your Burj Khalifa over here. This is your Burj Khalifa. We have studios, 1 beds, 2 beds. 3 beds are also there. 4 bed penthouses are also there. Any inquiries for penthouses? We have a decent pricing for the penthouses over here. And the square feet of the penthouses are 6,800. This is for the 4 bedrooms penthouses, okay? Construction wise, Anantara Hotel, everybody must have seen Anantara Hotel. The Mac Chic construction is going on over there. You take a right over there, Bayswater Tower, Wellington Tower. Just bang on, just after that, the construction is going on over there. And this is one by Bin Ghati over there. So from Ontario Tower and everywhere you can see this construction happening. So the best units are 2 bedrooms. So these are the 2 bedrooms, these and the behind ones. These are the 2 bedrooms. The center ones are the 1 beds and 1 bed. So these 2 bedrooms have a view of canal directly. And these 1 beds have a view of Burj directly. And these 1 beds, Business Bay community. Those 2 beds also, Business Bay community. So what is special about 1 by Bin Ghati is, I mean, the location, 150,000 square feet land parcel, total, exclusivity, materials that we are using in 1 by Bin Ghati is towards the luxury segment. Travertine material is used, the characteristic of travertine material, light insulation and acoustic insulation. So we have used the same material what we are using in Jacob & Co. So that's the best part. When you go inside more, you'll be able to pitch it in front of your clients. Studios were the most fast selling things. It got sold out during the launch period. We sold studios at 1.35 million, 1.4 million, and it got sold out. Because in the same area, Aptur is there, Eva Evolution, all these projects, and Jumeirah, what is this? One more project is there, I forgot the name. The Mac Canal Crown, then One more project, sir. Like they are selling it at 2,800 to 3,000 per square feet. We are selling one bedroom and two bedroom ranging between 2,200 to 2,400 per square feet. This is the best thing, the pricing over here. Any car lovers over here, how many Bugattis are there in world? It's 270. So the ideal target was to target them only. So out of the units which are sold out, half of them are Bugatti owners. So Bugatti owners have already purchased it over here. Now the higher ones, the triplex and the duplex and the penthouse has already been sold out. The names will be revealed very soon. In total, in this particular 150, I believe, 150, 50%. Price segment, just to give you a ballpark figure, 19 million is the starting price. Besides SLS and Paramount, this is the location. Talking about this project, why I am more inclined towards this thing to make you all understand. We have 5 to 6 types of units over here. First is Emerald Villa. Emerald Villa means it's on the watch series name. So the interior is actually a replica of the watch series. Emerald Villa, Jacob & Co. watch. 2 bedrooms, Emerald Villa and Sapphire Villa. Between floor 12 to 52. Between 12 to 52, you got your 2 beds and 3 beds. Now the third one is Ruby Villa, 3 bedrooms, Ruby Villa. Okay. Then you got your Sky Mansions, which is sold out. Diamond Sky Mansions is also sold out. You got your 6 bedrooms over here. Fleur de Jardin is the name of those things. And for these things, the pricing which we have offered is the same as Skyrise and One by Bengati. We have sold out almost 75% in this thing. So a person can buy a 2 bedroom over here worth, the size is 3,300 square feet for a 2 bedroom, 3,300 square feet at the PSF of 2,400 per square feet. That means lower floors, 8 million, 7.2 million is also what we have sold in the past. You can get a 2 bedroom for your client. Someone interested for a 6 bedroom, the quotation will be 36 millions, but we'll directly give them I have recently discussed a deal for 6 bedroom for this. I had the offer worth 2,700, 2,800 per square feet for 80th floor. Fleur de Jardin, only 12 units for those 6 bedrooms. It's actually technically habitant floor is 98, but if you combine everything, so till 12 floors it's health clubs. So it's like somewhere around 110. Total is 110. First floor is your 13, 12 plus 5, 17, 18th floor is your first floor. 5 podiums, 12th floor is health clubs and amenities. Then your first floor starts on the 13th floor. So guys, in this project, the best thing to sell is view. The behind ones get the Russell Gore Wildlife Sanctuary, the front ones get the Burj Khalifa, and almost from the floor 70, everybody is in the skies. So this is one thing. This Jacob & Co. crown, it itself is 110 meters. Appreciation. I have a very good mathematics for this thing. Total number of units 300. Let's assume 150 investors, 150 end users. Let's take 150 investor units, divided into 3, 50, 50, 50. Long-term rentals, 50 for short-term rentals, 50 for flipping. This is my calculation for this thing. Bare minimum tariff in this area for a hotel like Ritz-Carlton, Radisson Blu, above 1,200 dirhams. You are getting a discount worth of 35% at the time of purchase. 35% appreciation is guaranteed, and the construction is also going on. Every day updates are there for construction. It will definitely be handed over in 2026 December time. June is what they are telling. I am telling you December right now. Mercedes-Benz, Places by Bengati. Mercedes has a project in Miami, and then after Miami, this is the second project. 65-story building. This project has a LEED certificate, sustainable building, eco-friendly building. Behind, there are no units behind. This is a photovoltaic plate with Mercedes logo on it. The whole building is run on solar, so the bills would be minimum. Any which ways, the ones who are staying here, they wouldn't bother about the bills. But Europeans are the one who have focused on these particular purchase, and this has been sold out like 50%. 65-story building. We got 2 beds, 3 beds. Then we got 5 bedrooms. All the units are named after Mercedes vintage cars. 2 bedrooms are Pagoda Suite, 3 bedrooms are Grand Mercedes. Then you got Gullwing as named after the penthouses. And again we have a 750 million penthouse in this, which is being sold out. The names will be disclosed. We have Astronomia penthouse. We have one more 175 million penthouse duplex, which is still available. The best part is all the units are facing towards Burj Khalifa. So this is Bakarat A, Bakarat B, and this is the center of Mercedes-Benz, directly towards the Burj Khalifa. Behind there are no units. So Europeans are more interested towards sustainable development. So you all can pitch this project as sustainable project. Plus, even the pillars will have a Mercedes logo inside. Everything is managed by Mercedes inside. Anybody who's a Mercedes lover, and plus the location is downtown, besides the Mac Mason. This is the only project in downtown, 5,500 per square feet. We have done a deal recently. 2 bedroom is 1,836 square feet. We sold it at 10.75 million.
Thank you for exploring the different real estate projects done by Binghatti. Whether you're looking for your next home or investments, I'm sure that Binghatti is going to have the perfect opportunity for you. Just reach out to us at Trina Properties, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.